What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, September 28th. Sorry about the dog here. The garbage man's coming. Yesterday, this is this is TPO from June. So I said that, there was a lot of traffic in this area from basically 92 down to 73. We parked at 77, which was pretty much in between these two areas. So 77 is obviously going to be the low that we're watching. 73 was here, 70's here. Ultimately, if we come back down, 42.31 is really the spot I would be looking at, 29 to 31. If we were to continue down and drop, we're at 43.11 now. That would be a gnarly down day, but that would be my line in the sand down 0205. So far that's held. You can use those levels as kind of a base right now. We retested that just a few moments ago, and now it's parking back up. 20 is my over-under. You get above 20, we can be bullish. We stay below 20, and I'm going to stay bearish. But that 36, 38 needs to get over to get anything upside. Upside target really is 64 to 70, and then we get into that 82, 83 area. We got above that, and then I think probably 4,400 or 4,409, which is your 100-day moving average. Now down below 4220 is your 200-day moving average, so that kind of coincides with that 4230. We're kind of looking down. I think everyone got real bullish yesterday because we rallied back up, which is interesting. Of one fraction of a day move and everyone's sentiment is we're going to head back up now. It's hilarious to me. Careful with that mindset. 4311 is your pivot. 46, I like that. 71, I like that. 4406, R3 is pretty spot on. 87, okay. 52, and then 4227 pretty much coincides with my 4230. So that level, that S3 is great. R3 is great. We'll see if we have a consolidation day. Yesterday, I kind of thought we would, but we leaked down and came back up. So the fact that we parked higher should add some buoyancy here, and we should possibly see some upside. But I'm not thoroughly convinced that this has changed to the upside yet, just because we're still below 20. Right now, price says we're headed lower, depending on what happens. Here's your dollar or daily. Here's your 4220. As I've said before, I'd like to see back in this range for a bounce, 41.55 to 41.35. A couple of my friends are really calling the 4200 as the low for this move that they'd be a buyer at. So that, fine. And in an extreme case, then we would head down to where's my weekly? 3800, 39.15, right? And that this has really held true. This is a weekly chart. I mean, if you go back, right, this is January of 16. So that's really held all of the base. That's COVID. The base is here. That was our recent, we're all going to die, and then we all got better, and then now we're all going to die again. So anyway, 39.15 is macro. If this loses, that's my target-ish, and then bounce back up. But we'll see. I would expect, just look at this volume. This is a 2-year volume. So 2-year volume, all is right here. So that's going to become, I just think that's going to become the magnet. That's my opinion. Don't base your trades off that shit. Here's our monthly. Here's our 277 down on the month. We are probably going to be down. I would expect maybe them to try to get this back up above 43.50, which was last month's low. This is tomorrow's end of month, end of quarter. So 41.78. Here's 41.89. That would be an opening. That's a monthly opening. So here's our month, though. All of our volume's really up here, which is crazy. And then we've just drifted down. So we'll see. I don't know if there's going to be any surprises end of month. I would expect some sort of shenanigans, but we will see. What do we got? All right, euro straight down. Did Pierce tap the 105? Went below yesterday. It's come back. It's up 360 ticks today. So trying for a rally. I thought they would really defend that area, and technically, so they have so far. We chewed into this 42.38, 42.21. It was 42.41 yesterday. Chewed in 3 points, and then that was that hard reversal. We still have a cash gap, 43.37 to 43.13. That'd be a target on the upside for sure. I don't think we'll get up to this one. If we do, then I don't know. Jesus has come back. So that's about it. Bonds are still weak, and I would definitely keep my eye on that, although it's popping a little bit, but they're kind of get destroyed. So who knows? A lot of information this today. We've got Fed speakers. What else? Final Q2 GDP, jobless claims, pending home sales at 10 a.m. Anyway, so we'll see. Fed speakers, 3 of them. 9 a.m. Austin, 1 o'clock Lisa Cook, and Barkin speaks, whatever. Who cares? All right. Anyway, I will be in and out of the room today. And just